We are on the way to Orlando. It's 7:10 right now. Our flight is at 9:30, 9:35. We are on the way to Orlando. Cannot wait. Never been to Orlando before. It's our first time hosting this training. And I'm really excited about it. We gotta repack all this to Christine's suitcases. We just got to the gate and we're about to board. We are on the flight. Arrived to Orlando. Look how cute this is.
It's so different.
We have a tree already in Orlando. We have arrived. Ooh, this is so cute. Oh my god, we have this little patio situation going on here. This place is amazing. Oh, it's huge. There's one room, bathroom, one more room. This is the kitchen. Get this color right here. Okay, so that's how brown is created. They're neutralizing each other.
A nice shade to go with, but I have seen it in my.
We just finished with a class and with some of our students. We're gonna go to another student, Hiral, who's cooking us some amazing Indian food. So we're gonna eat some good Indian tonight. I had this makeup on since yesterday, Sunday, 11 a.m. Today is Monday, 4 p.m. Oh my god, we're getting some really good Indian food today. Is this gonna be a curry?
Yeah.
Oh yes. That looks so good.
Yummy.
So good. Good morning. Day 2. We are pretty much getting started with the day 2. The girls they just arrived. I slept so good. This weather was so good. So I'm gonna just have some coffee and then get started with the class. Here and see if it's not giving me enough, I might go back to black. Products, use a thin layer. If they have a very oily skin, you could use a bit of setting powder on top of this just to set it. Wrapped up with day 2. And we are going to do some grocery shopping. Since we have this beautiful big kitchen, I think it just makes sense to just cook and make it home, even though our students have been feeding us for the past 2 days. We just went and did a huge shopping and we're gonna go back to the hotel room and actually make some food. Wait, oh, perfect.
Alright.
Hi guys, today is Thursday, day 4. Ivan and the baby arrived yesterday and we spent a beautiful day together. We actually worked till pretty late, till like about 9 p.m. But then we still managed to go for a little walk, do a little grocery shopping. We made some dinner with them and it was really nice and relaxing actually just to catch up. But we just wrapped up day 4 and we are going to go and explore. The girls gave us some fun attractions, I guess, to see. We wanted to see the Disney and the Universal, but I don't think it's worth it because everything is so big here and we only have like a half a day. So we got a car. Ivan is driving. Say hi.
Hi.
And it's not the display is not working. We cannot play any other music besides this one playlist, Spanish songs. Yep. Which actually I don't hate it at all. I love this type of music. We are going to Spring. What was it? Disney Spring. We heard it's really cool. There's Christine. And then there's this one. Oh, that's an actual balloon. I just realized that. What is this? Yuca fries. Yuca fries loaded with something. This is supposed to be a ceviche, and this is supposed to be beef birria nachos. Today is our last day. I'm actually finishing up getting ready because we are about to take some photos. I wanted to get cute and look cute before we take photos with the students. We are about to pack, check out and leave. It's such a sweet, bittersweet moment because every time we spend so much time with the students, it always feels like we became best friends over these couple of days. So I am kind of sad, but also looking forward to going back home. I think it's definitely time to go back to Vegas. The girls are just finishing up. Look at that beautiful makeup. Look at that 3D halo eye, how good it looks on camera. Okay, Pasha, so you have completed, today's your last day of our training here in Orlando, and I want to hear your experience. How was your experience throughout these days we were here?
I've had a really good experience.
Okay.
Honestly, I've learned a lot of new techniques that I didn't know before, and you and Christine are both amazing instructors. You guys are very patient. You were very explanatory with everything and very helpful, very hands-on.
I'm so sad that it's almost over, but I feel like I've learned so much. I came in only having done a few people, friends and family, and what I did then versus what I'm capable of now is amazing, and it's thanks to you too.
Actually, I'm feeling very confident now that I can do makeup on whichever skin type, whichever color I'm getting in front of my chest, so I can really match the color theory, put it into the practical, and then make my own foundation, concealer.
Good evening and welcome aboard.
We're going home. Cannot wait to come to Vegas and unpack and continue my life per normal, per usual. We are in Las Vegas. Feels so good to be back. Good morning, you guys. It's Saturday. We are back in Vegas. We arrived late last night. It was probably around 12 o'clock when we got to Vegas. And now it's Saturday morning. I just took a shower, washed my hair. I'm so tired, feeling a little bit under the weather because I feel like I'm getting maybe a little bit sick. I don't know, my throat is kind of itchy. And now I have a coaching call with students who are in our online program. Well, all the students actually are able to join these coaching sessions. We do them every Wednesday and every Saturday. So I'm so exhausted, but gotta push through today. One more day, and then tomorrow I get to rest.